Zeppy, stand me good boy. You stand me good boy, little Zeppy Peppy. You good boy. Oh yeah. You stand me good boy.
Make yourself such a nice head.
You ready to stand me a good boy? You go in the basement? Little Zeppy, you ready? Okay. Let's go now. And now you're kind of chilling out here on the couch watching the basketball game. He's really he's like relaxed here, huh?
He's very comfortable.
So I guess you just want to chill out and just relax here, huh? All right.